Hey, my people, all a day today now. It's weekend here. But I don't mind my voice. I just they wake up. Want to say this life no balance. So there is no easy life anywhere. Cha-cha. And a day. I have too much respect for all of you will be my subscribers and those who are still coming back to watch my videos, even those you are not my subscribers. I respect. I see, this is for you. Boza, PC. Hey, I don't say you don't go feel see me. You should go see me now. You go toilet for me. Hey, okay now. My people, I think sometimes you go to wonder why people know they respect police for nigger area and why police they die the way they are dying. Now this kind of thing they cause them. Police know they allow children to rest for Nigeria, aka Zoological Republic. People go they do peaceful protests all over the world. Now the same. If they wonder why police no get respect, they wonder why they know people know they too regard them. For other countries, where sabi what they do. When police come like this, everybody go mellow. Everybody go chill because they go approach you with respect. They go pet you to know your thought. The way they go they talk to you to know why you did what you did or why you are doing what you are doing. Police go they hungry you. But for that country, nothing they work, nothing they balance. See how they molest people. See what they do children. These are the people, these citizens that are demanding for their rights. Nothing is working. Zoological Republic can never work. If you doubt me, the people who are pity most now, the people where they say, let us pray for Nigeria. Instead of you to pray for Nigeria, pray for your family alone. Because I don't see this country working. No, nothing is showing that it will work again. So, again, make I respect all my subscribers. I don't come and see. I tell them I said they go break. I be go one small break, but the buzzwords way there for Nigeria. It's too much. We need to create awareness as much as possible. Mona they come back. I know soon of these few days. I can't make me cry. I don't like them. Mona come back, my people. Mona come back. I don't come back for. I don't full cry. Understand? It gets something where it just happened, but anyway, things don't normalize. Things don't normalize. Okay? Understand? Thank you so much. All my Biafran brethren, my Oduduwa brethren. Hey, toilet for that. Say. Okay, I'll see that for the next one. I watch. Okay? I stay safe. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. As God lives, it go better. Thank you so much. Bye. Peace out. Peace out. Peace out.
Now the protesters are here. This is Lagos, Nigeria. Ganifa Emi Park. Opposite Ganifa Emi Park.
No money to go. I do read 12 hours every day. 4 admission letters, no money to go. It's so pathetic that since then Nigeria is still like that. My dad died due to medical negligence. My uncle's wife also died due to medical negligence. At last it's here. After spending over 1.5 million naira, the case is still ongoing. How long shall we tarry in this country? How long shall we tarry? How long shall we wait? When will Nigeria be better? My father sang it. Nigeria go better. Now I'm singing it. Will my children also sing it? It has become a norm in our country. When will this country be better? After 4 admission letters, Nigerian youth are lazy. I do read between 10 to 12 hours every day. 10 to 12 hours every day. I got 4 admission letters with me. I had no money to go. I had stayed 2-3 days without food. It's so pathetic that after years, this thing is still ongoing. They have killed our brothers, even men in uniform. They killed them in the northern region. They killed them. They killed our brothers. We have brothers that have died in the northern region, who are serving in the police, who are serving in the armed forces. They kill civilians every day. What then shall we do in our country? When this country has become unsafe for us, what then shall we do? What then shall we do? If they will not hear with diplomacy, we have the right to protest. We have the right to our right, and our right is our right. We will protest here.
Some police are shooting tear gas. The policemen have started shooting tear gas. This is Ojota in Lagos. Some policemen have started shooting their tear gas. Some policemen have started shooting their tear gas. They have started shooting their tear gas. The protesters said they are not going anywhere.
This tear gas.
That is the tear gas. That was the tear gas that was shot. That was the tear gas that was shot.
That's the tear gas that was just shot.
That was the tear gas that was shot by the police, by the Nigerian police.
We are not going anywhere.
They are still shooting another one. They are still shooting the tear gas.
Tear gas.
The policemen are shooting now.
No.
They are throwing tear gas at the protesters.
Why should you say no? Because when I tell you, you study action and reaction are equal.
Wow, that is another one. They just shot another tear gas. They've been shooting at the protesters.
We will move.
I think I need to stay safe first. Wow, tear gas. Oh my God, my eyes. Oh my God, my eyes. Oh, my eyes. They started shooting their guns also.